What does Vermont mean to me? Vermont, it can mean a lot or a little to people. I haven't been up here long, but I can absolutely say that it has made an impact on my life. When I moved up here, I was a young 15-year-old kid with no goals in life. Just 2 years later, I'm learning the profession that I want to follow for the rest of my life. My brother moved up to Vermont about 6 years ago. Since then, he now owns 3 properties, has 2 kids, and 17 acres of land. He's the hardest working person I know. He never has a day off, but he always makes time for his family. Seeing that work ethic can really motivate a person. When he's at home, he's even busy doing something all day. He doesn't know how to relax, and that's how he managed to make his life so great. Vermont helped him do that. He wouldn't be able to say he did half the stuff in his life if it wasn't for Vermont.